So, my dear children, are you ready to hear a new and interesting story? Then let's begin. Once upon a time, there was a hungry fox who was wandering in the forest in search of some food. As he was wandering, his tummy rumbling, he saw a bunch of juicy grapes hanging from a vine. They were high up on a tree, though, just out of his reach. But the grapes looked so delicious that the hungry fox just had to have them. He stood on his hind legs and jumped, but the grapes were too high for him. Undeterred, the fox sat down and started to devise a plan. He looked around to see if there was anything he could use to help him reach the grapes. Seeing a large rock nearby, he pushed it under the tree. Then he stood on the rock and tried again to jump and grab the grapes, but he couldn't reach them. As you can imagine, the fox was getting pretty frustrated by this point. But instead of giving up, he went back to the rock and pushed it a little closer to the tree. Then he stood on it again and jumped. And although he got a little closer, still no luck. No matter how hard the fox tried, he just couldn't reach those pesky grapes. Panting and exhausted from all his efforts, the fox flopped down on the ground and sighed. He looked up at the grapes, now just out of his reach. And even though he had tried his best, the hungry fox couldn't reach them. Looking at the grapes, which were now just out of his reach, the fox decided that the best thing to do was to console himself. And so he said, well, these grapes look sour anyway, so they wouldn't be worth eating. I'm sure there are some nice ripe berries somewhere around here, he said to himself. And with that thought, the fox trotted off into the forest to find something else to eat. Once he was far away, a little bird flew down from a nearby tree and perched on the rock that the fox had used to try to reach the grapes. The bird looked at the grapes and then chirped, "Hey, little fox, why did you give up? The grapes are yours if you want them," she chirped again. The fox turned around and asked, "Oh, you can reach them, can't you?" The bird replied, "Of course I can. These grapes are right next to my nest. I eat them every day." The fox felt ashamed for not thinking of that earlier. Then the bird flew down and picked up one of the juiciest grapes in her beak. She flew back to her nest and ate it with great relish. From that day on, the fox learned that it is easy to despise what you cannot have. And that, my dear children, is the story of the fox and the grapes. Do you think the fox was just being lazy, or do you think he really believed that the grapes were sour? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, then please like it and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.